At LUX CLINIC, we believe true beauty is not about changing who you are. It's about restoring balance, structure, and harmony while still looking like yourself. Hello, I'm Dr. Tomoko Okumura, founder of LUX CLINIC in Ginza, Tokyo. For nearly 2 decades, I've been dedicated to aesthetic medicine in Japan, focusing on one philosophy: creating natural beauty that still looks beauty while moving. Today, many aesthetic treatments can make people look younger very quickly, but sometimes faces can become overfilled, too tight, or lose their natural expression. At LUX CLINIC, we believe true beauty is not about changing who you are. It's about restoring balance, structure, and harmony while still looking like yourself. One thing that makes our approach different is that we rarely rely on just one treatment. Instead, we combine fillers and energy-based devices and set lifting technique to create a more natural and long-lasting result. For example, filler can restore structure and volume. Devices such as radiofrequency or ultrasound can improve skin quality and tightening. And slit lift can help reposition soft tissue and improve facial support. Each treatment has a different role, rather than overusing one method. We carefully combine them depending on patient anatomy, aging pattern, and the facial movement. This created result that feels softer and lighter and more natural. In recent years, I believe aesthetic medicine has shifted dramatically. The goal is no longer simply adding more volume. Instead, more beauty is about a natural movement, elegant balance, and aging beautifully over time. Especially in Japan, many patients prefer subtle and refined results. At LUX CLINIC, we focus heavily on natural beauty design in Japan. It means respecting facial balance, individual character, and the patient's natural expression. Another important part of our philosophy is understanding movement. The facial is always moving. When we smile, talk, laugh, or even simply relax. So when we design treatment, we don't only think about how the face looks photos, we also think about how it looks in motion. It is why we carefully choose different filler characteristics and different set technique and different devices for each area of the face. For example, some fillers are better for structural support. Others are better for flexibility and natural movement. So devices improve skin tightening while others improve texture and collagen stimulation. Slit lift can also be customized depending on whether we need vertical lifting, lateral support, or contour refinement. By combining these treatment strategies, we can often create more natural rejuvenation with less product and less heaviness. At LUX CLINIC, we also have specialists in different areas of aesthetic medicine, including facial rejuvenation, eye rejuvenation, breast surgery, and women's intimate wellness treatments. Because every patient is different, we believe treatment should ever be one size fits all. Our clinic has also been featured internationally, including in Time and the Wall Street Journal, and we're honored to welcome patients from all around the world. Many of our international patients come to Japan specifically because they are looking for refined, natural, and sophisticated aesthetic results. At the end of the day, our goal is simple. We want patients to look refreshed, healthy, and confident without losing their individuality, not overdone, not artificial, just natural beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to welcoming you to LUX CLINIC in Ginza, Tokyo.